welcome back to Brady Pat RC. Let's see what we've got today. A new purchase that arrived for my birthday from my wife and children. Let's see what we have. It's a Ducati Upriser, Panigale or Panigale, I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm sure someone will tell me. V4S revolutionary RC stunt bike. Okay, not bad presentation on the box. Let's just see what the box has got on it. Not too much detail on the side there or the other side. Nice picture though. What else have we got? Anything on the bottom? Just tells you a little bit about what's included inside the box. The bike itself, controller, USB charging cable, display stand, instruction guide, and then the rest of it all in different languages. Looks like it's made by Spin Master, so there's their website for all you guys, www.spinmaster.com. Made in Mexico. Oh, we imported from Mexico. Yeah, very nice. Okay, what else is on the box? Let's turn the back round. There's usually good stuff on the back of boxes these days. So here we go. There's the back of the box. Some nice basic details on there. Let's see what it says we got here. Removable rider, LED headlights, race up to 120 kilometers an hour. That's the scale speed, so we take it as about 20. Race grade rubber tyres, shock absorbing suspension, and again all there in different languages as well. So what does it say here, what we got? This revolutionary RC motorcycle mirrors the exhilarating performance of the Panigale V4S sport bike with authentic Ducati styling, powerful engine performance and state-of-the-art technology. This bike can do wheelies that have never been done before. Expect an RC experience beyond convention. Let's hope that statement is true. Now, what else have we got? Display stand, there's a picture of it, like it, so you can stand it up by itself by the look of it. Rechargeable, removable 2-cell LiPo battery. Looks like 45 minutes run time to me. Could be charge time, doesn't quite say there. Some form of joypad controller. Multi-direction wheelies without support. Interesting. So already we can see the bike there. Looks like the rubber tyre on the front there. And I wonder what that's all about. Okay, let's see what we actually have in the box. So here's the controller in the box. Quite small. Seems quite sturdy enough. Take some AA batteries, I dare say, in that. It's quite small. Let's get a ruler down so you guys can actually see exactly how big this controller is. So we won't go precision wise, so it's roughly just over 4 inches wide, 100mm for you guys, and about 70mm in depth there, so it's quite small. There's the USB charging cable, and here we have in multi-language the instruction guide. First thing, I like it. We haven't even opened it. There it is. It tells you exactly where the charging port is and what to do immediately. So once you get it out of the box, you haven't even got to open it up. So while you're reading that, you can get it straight on charge. Pretty everything in different languages, all on the same page, so we haven't got like multi-language sections, so we just have to find the relevant language on the relevant page there. Tells you a bit about the controller. Traction control switch. Interesting. That would be on the controller, I dare say. Traction control. So that looks to me smooth surface, rough surface, something like that, on or off road. Instruction guide, USB, display stand, controller, and the bike itself. Yeah. Just some basic operations there, showing the headlights, the charging port. Won't bore you to death too much. Explains how to do wheelies and drifts by the look of it. Pretty good explanation. How the rider comes on and off, and the display stand itself, and cleaning of the rear wheel. We'll be having a look at that. How to install batteries, how to drive, bit of troubleshooting, and then the rest's in different languages like Spanish and German and French. So here's the bike itself. So here we have the bike itself, 110 in size it says. Looks quite large to me, but looks quite good. I've already attached the display stand, so it just clicks in the back wheel there and just leans slightly to one side, allowing it to stand pretty good. Looks quite cool. I like this bike already. So let's just take that off for a little while. So it says it's got suspension, so there's the front suspension, and there's the rear. Quite solid that feels. So it's got the dual front headlights. Looks quite good there. Driver or rider, nice detailed helmet. I'm sure we can spruce him up, paint or a bit of decals. He does come off. I'm not going to attempt to take him off at this precise moment in time. I just want to get this video done for you guys and get this bike out on the road or whatever. So this is the rear wheel. Now it looks strange on the box, so it's got all these tiny rubber little wheels inside there, so that's telling me that can, when you go left or right, that will allow for some drifting by the look of it, hopefully. And the wheelie function, well, we don't really know about the wheelie function yet until we start riding it itself, but first impressions, it's quite heavy for a bike. It does say the battery is removable. I think it's probably in there somewhere. There's the charging port down at the bottom there, so flick it on. Headlights come on. Awesome. There's no rear lights. I'm sure a bit of modification or something, if anyone fancied it, I'm sure they could put rear lights in, and then it's just a case of switch it off and charge away. So quick video on that for you. Let's attach the display stand back on there, and overall quite impressive. Quite like that. Really good. It's really nice. Spin around. Yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. I like it. So let's get this next video up and running, where we take it out for a run. Never rid or operated an RC motorcycle of any description before, whether it's electrical, nitro. I've always been a four-wheel man, so should be quite fun. You should get some laughs out of it. I hope you do. Thanks for watching, and wait for episode 2 on the Ducati's first run out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. It'd be much appreciated. Thank you.